Y'all ready?
I'm having my way. Said out here having this way. Quay out here having this way. And like the third me go out. Take. Bitch. What? Go to the Drake. What else are they gonna play? It's how even niggas want to.
Hey y'all. Guess what this is? Guess what it is? This is my Telfar bag. My very first Telfeezy. Period. My very first Telfeezy. Y'all ordered this on October the 4th. It's crazy that I remember it, but I had a lot of stuff going on with the family. So, yeah. But I ordered this on October the 4th, and it finally came in like 3 days ago or something like that. It probably came like, what today is? Today is Friday, so it probably came like Monday or Tuesday. So yeah, let me show y'all the box. For one, let's talk about the packaging. I thought this was gonna come in like, you know, a boom bam box. Now my sister told me that it was probably smart that it didn't, just because it's a Telfar bag, which means somebody would steal it, which is smart. So that's why I was like, okay, I let it slide. But this is the box. Look how thin it is. But yeah, so that's how the packaging looks. So you know me, I'm just looking at the box like, it's not giving me expensive. But let's see how it looks. I'm about to cut this tape open. So let's see, y'all. By the way, like I said before, this is my first Telfar bag. My first. Okay. So, y'all ready? We open it. Oh, I hit the light. Okay. Y'all ready? Okay. Okay. Oh, Lordy. So literally, the only thing in here is the bag. This, it has basically my receipts. And oh yeah, I really didn't think I bought this one. I thought I bought the biggest. I thought I bought the biggest purse. I bought the medium one. I thought it was the biggest. So anyway, so come in this cute, you know, just regular smuggler clear plastic that hold it. Okay. So we have this. So let's open it. My hands, they're clean. So now we're taking it out. Okay. Oh. Okay. That's it. Telfeezy. 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 Anyway, so it's like a little drawstring bag. So y'all, let me just say, I think I remember me buying the metallic navy blue Telfar bag. Okay, I think it been so long and I just got it. So yeah. And y'all, if y'all wonder when I ordered off of Telfar, real like official website, because he was having like it was called security. It was something like that, where it was called security something. But basically, you could buy all the bags he ever made, you know, any color. But I only bought one. Okay, yeah, I'm right. So look. Ooh. So I like big bags, but I like big bags mostly like if I'm going on a trip somewhere. But I carry it as like a little duffel bag in a way. So this bag right here is a cute little size for me. Now I was gonna get a real small one, but then I was looking at it because I was gonna get the other one off of StockX, but it was so small. So I'm probably still gonna get it. I just wanted to get this size first, and then I can see if I wanted the other one. But it's like this little Velcro piece right here that had this stuck together. So I took this off. I opened this. Okay. Okay. Telfar. So this is supposed to be vegan leather or something like that. But I don't even know what vegan leather is. I really think sometimes people just be saying vegan and organic just to say it, because what's the difference? But okay. So I'm opening it up like this. So it's all the same color inside as well. It has a little Telfar patch tag right there. It says Telfar. It has this little thing. It says Telfar since 2005. I'm probably wrong, but I think that's what it means. I think that's what it means. Anyway, this is the bag. This is the bag. It has a little zipper pocket. Y'all, I bought this bag for the name. And because this is black and white. Okay? You got to support your culture, period. If you can support everybody else's culture, why not support your own? Okay? Support your culture. So that's what I'm doing, supporting my culture. But yeah, so you can wear it as a crossbody and you can wear it as like a little handbag. Let me show you. So you can wear it like this, or you can wear it like this, you know, a little. But it's cute. I mean, yeah. Yeah, let me tell you too. So when I was ordering this, I could not figure out what color I wanted for nothing. But I was like, okay, this is my Telfar bag, so I do want to wear it because I have a tendency of ordering things and don't wear them. But anyway, I was like, okay, let me pick out a color that's like a good base color where I can wear it with anything, but still have like a color. Because I didn't want to buy a black one. I didn't want to buy a dark brown one or anything like that. So I was like, okay, with this I can wear some jeans. So that's what I'm going to do. But I mean, I like it. It's a purse. I mean, it's a purse. I like it. And y'all, I spent, just a quick video. I mean, it's just me opening my first Telfeezy. Like, my first Telfeezy. My first Telfar bag was $202. Okay, it was called the Security Program 3. And this is in the color Cobalt. And it's a bag size medium. But this medium size bag is a good size bag. It's not too big, it's not too small. So I can only imagine the big one and the small one. Maybe too small and maybe too big, I don't know. But I will be buying some more, and next time I'll probably have it like a bigger haul. But just because this was my very first bag, I decided, you know, let's pop it open. Period. Let's get it. Let's get it going. But yeah. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Period. Because if y'all not subscribed to your girl, who you subscribe to? I don't know. If you don't know, I don't know. But for real, I would love y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all comment because I love engagement, okay? And I'm not talking about like statistics for engagement. I'm talking about, well, not statistics. It's statistics, analytics. Same difference, I think. But anyway, I like engagement just because I want to be engaged with the people who's watching me. Okay? And y'all, let's give it a shout to this lace, to this wig. This is an Amazon wig too, by the way. I really needed my hair done, so I was like, rush. But it's cute. It's cute. Shout out to Jericia, J Touch. And I'm probably gonna post this video today, which is on a Friday. So yeah, y'all probably see who did my hair Sunday for like a weekly reset, because I had to reset my life, y'all. Like, that's why I haven't been posting to. But anyway, that is for the next vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and make sure y'all follow all my social accounts at Mayoki on Instagram and on TikTok, and my Twitter is Mayoki with 2 eyes. But yeah, thanks for watching, y'all. Peace. I dropped 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit.